Well, howdy there, pitiful human spawn. A meat sack with bones. A walking glass filled with blood. Unworthy weakling. A dirty stain beneath my feet. Long time no see ya.
Oh, what's happening?
I kindly decided to tell you something mighty important. Something that might just make your sorry existence a tad easier.
Well, what?
Killed a whole plate of salad. Had broccoli and even some zucchinis in there. And I also flushed the toilet and dipped the dishes. If you want, you can touch me with your pitiful little hands and experience my monstrous greatness.
Please don't kill me.